araw mga ka-faith friends. This is Sarah Garcia, your gospel sharer for today. Our reading is according to St. Matthew, chapter 23, verses 13 to 22. From the gospel, Jesus showed his anger to the scribes and the Pharisees on how they treat and lead people to God. Mula sa ating pagbasa, tayong mga tagapagbahagi ng salita ng Diyos ay ang siyang dapat na aakay sa mga tao tungo sa Kanya. The Gospel serves as a reminder to those people, like the scribes and the Pharisees, not to use their position to judge and take advantage of the weak and the poor. Jesus came down from heaven to open the way for us to enter His kingdom, kaya wag po natin yung ipagdamag sa kanila. Pagnilayan po natin ito. Do we serve as a light in their path or do we misguide them to the right path? Huwag tayo mag-set ng sarili nating rules but instead, let's follow God's way to enter His kingdom. In John chapter 14 verse 16, Jesus proclaimed, He is the truth, the way, and the life. We can only enter the kingdom of heaven through Him. Kaya mas makakabuti sa atin na gawing gabay ang salita ng Diyos para mas mapalapit sa Kanya at huwag gawing basihan ang pansariling batayan. And before I end this video, remember to be the light in someone's path to enter the kingdom of heaven. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel or download the app Facebook PH or register at www.facebook.ph. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. God bless everyone and always remember, put God first.